Hey Forkers, do you want to make some things called CAD bites? They're technically energy bites, but that's what I call them, and you'll find out why. Click here to subscribe, and we'll be back to give you this delicious and fast recipe right away. Hey Forkers, so you're stuck at home and you want to make some kind of energy ball bites that don't cost a fortune and don't take up much time? Here's the recipe for you. These things are great. The kids love them, we love them. You can take them, you can pack them, you can freeze them. They last forever in the fridge. They're perfect. And if you want to change up the dried fruit as opposed to dates, you can probably do that and change the flavors. Add different spices to it, make it your own. Here we go. So you're going to take a cup of dates, you're going to soak it in warm water for a few minutes. While you're doing that, you're going to take a half a cup of rolled oats, a cup and a quarter of almonds, and you're going to blend that in the food processor until that stuff is nice and coarse. You're going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you're going to add in the dates after you drain the water from them. You're going to pulse that stuff until it can be nice and sticky between about 2 fingers. Just press it together and see if it sticks nicely, then you'll know it's ready to go. You're going to put about 3 tablespoons of unsweetened coconut into a bowl. Get a bowl of water so you can keep your hands wet. Take your tablespoon, scoop out the mixture into about tablespoon-sized portions. Squeeze it into your hands until it's a nice tight ball, and then roll it in the coconut, and that's about it. You can customize this as much as you want. You can change out the spices from cinnamon to cocoa. You could put in different nuts if you wanted to. Almonds worked really nicely, but you could probably try any nuts you wanted. If you don't like coconut, don't use coconut. You could use hemp seeds, you could use chia seeds, flax seeds, whatever you want to do. Go for it, make it your own. These things are delicious, they're easy to pack, they store forever in the fridge. If you like these bad boys, please subscribe to the channel, leave comments, let me know if you do variations. Post your stuff to Instagram and all the social channels and tag me and let me know what you guys are up to. I love seeing that kind of stuff. Thanks for joining the Former Fat Forker, and smash these little buggers into your mouth!